So I did a yard yesterday. I was mulching some leaves, and regular customer, y'all. I know the yard. I always say like walk the yard. So, but I know the yard pretty much, y'all. You know what I mean? But why is it gonna have a big fat metal? It's like one of those big metal locks you put all like on a trailer. All right. And I hit it. I hit it real hard. Like what in the world? It started making a lot of noise underneath the underneath somewhere where the blades are. So I hope I didn't bent a spindle. Maybe I bent a blade. So I gotta do what I preach, y'all. I should have freaking walked the yard, okay? Walk it, y'all. No matter what, even to your faithful customers, I don't know why. It's like he just threw a metal brick out there for me. But I don't know what happened, man. Like, why? It wasn't there before. I don't know. So I'm gonna go and check that. You know what I mean? That happened yesterday. So I'm gonna just pull it out the trailer and just look underneath the undo the blades, maybe see if they're bent. You know, just turn the pulleys around. All right, maybe it could be worn out pulley. You know what I mean? Or bent spindle. We'll find out. I do know the belt has to be replaced because I've been doing some like high growth yards, all right, like cleanups and then mulching like piles of leaves. So it is a lot of wear and tear on the belt. That's why you gotta start off high on the mower deck, like at 4.5 inches, then go 3.5 inches, then go 3 inches, then 2.5. You don't want to always start off real low if you have high growth, okay? Because that could like put out wear and tear on your deck belt, or the pulleys, or the spindles, okay? So take care of your equipment and it'll take care of you and it'll pay for the bills, okay? For the house and your family, all right? Put food on the table for your family. So take care of your equipment, okay? Hey, thanks for watching. God bless. Hey, be careful out there in the rain. Hey, see you on the next video. Bye.